and Mid-Atlantic IRA. That's Joby and Belinda. They're over there too. These companies have a wealth of information, so go make contacts, find out more about what you do and how they can help you grow your business. I also want to acknowledge the women who are WREN all year long. If I could have my fabulous four come up here. So I'd like to introduce to you Jennifer and Iris over there. Yeah. So to my left here, far left, is Jennifer Mills and Iris Veneration. Yay! They are our Orange County chapter leaders, and they are WREN all year long. And to my direct left here is Jen Maldonado. She's one of the founding members and part of the executive team. She's amazing, and she's also the head of our Los Angeles chapter. And Paige Panzarilla, who's in the middle of the stage, hear it for Paige. She's also part of my executive team, our founding member, and the VP of WREN. These women are remarkable and well connected in case anybody wants to network with them. Thank you so much, ladies. Okay, one last set of thanks. There was a troop of volunteers that helped put this event together. And I don't know where all of you are, but could you please stand up right now? Oh my gosh, where are all my volunteers? Susan, Tina, Malaya, Shilpa, they're all working. Carla, Beta, Jessica, Beatrice, Laree, Julie, Matthew, Rick. Beta, you're back there. Say hi to everybody. Oh my gosh, they're all at the door. Okay, here's my wonderful volunteers. Thank you so much. Without them, all of this couldn't happen.